Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Hub. In today's session, we are going to solve very important PYQs based on Lev Vygotsky's theory of social cultural development. So keep a pen and notebook ready, pause the video, solve the questions yourself, and then match your answers with the correct answer. Let's begin the most important session Vygotsky's PYQs right now. Question number 1. Assertion A. Vygotsky believed that learning is fundamentally a social process. Reason. Vygotsky propounded that children develop their cognitive abilities primarily through solitary exploration and individual problem solving. Correct answer is option C. A is true but R is false. Vygotsky empathized a social interaction in learning, not solitary exploration. Hence, A is true but R is false. Question number 2. Assertion A. According to Vygotsky, the zone of proximal development (ZPD) refers to the zone of task that a learner can perform with the guidance of a more knowledgeable others. Reason. The ZPD highlights the gap between a learner's actual development and their potential development with assistant. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R is true. R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 3. Assertion A. Vygotsky believed that private speech is a sign of cognitive development in a children. Reason. Vygotsky suggests that private speech helps children organize their thoughts and guide their own behavior. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R true. R is the correct explanation of A. Private speech supports self regulation and thinking, hence, both statements are true. Question number 4. Assertion A. Vygotsky theory suggests that the role of a teacher is to provide direct instruction and minimal interaction with students. Reason. Vygotsky believed that the learning is best achieved through guided interaction and scaffolding from more knowledgeable individuals. Correct answer is option D. A is false, R is true. Vygotsky empathized guided interaction, not minimal interaction. Those A is false, R is true. Question number 5. Assertion A. According to Vygotsky, children learn best when they are actively involved in a play. Reason. Play allows children to experiment with social roles, rules, and symbols, enhancing cognitive and social skills. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R true. R is the correct explanation of A. Play is important social and cognitive tool in Vygotsky theory. Question number 6. Assertion A. Vygotsky argued that cognitive development is sum across all cultures. Reason. Vygotsky believed that culture, tool, and language significantly influence a child learning and thinking process. Correct answer is option D. A is false but R is true. Cognitive development varies across culture. So A is false but R is true. Question number 7. Assertion A. In Vygotsky theory, scaffolding refers to providing only fixed and permanent support to learners. Reason are scaffolding is a temporary support system that teachers adjust based on the learner's current current needs and ability. Correct answer is option D. A is false but R is true. Scaffolding is temporary and flexible, not fixed. Question number 8, Assertion A. Vygotsky argued that instruction should be aimed at the student's current level of ability. Reason: Vygotsky believed that students should be changed beyond their current abilities within the zone of proximal development. Correct answer is option D. A is false but R is true. Teaching should target ZPD, not just current ability. Question number 9. Assertion A. Vygotsky theory gives little importance to language in the learning process. Reason: Vygotsky viewed language as a central to cognitive development because it is a primary tool for thought and social interaction. Correct answer is option D. A is false but R is true. Language is central in a Vygotsky theory, so A is false. Question number 10. Assertion A. Vygotsky theory focuses primarily on the biological maturation of children. Reason: Vygotsky emphasized social and cultural factors that contribute to a child's cognitive development. Correct answer is option D. A is false but R is true. Vygotsky focused on social cultural factors, not biological maturation. Question number 11. A test was taken on Lev Vygotsky theory of social cultural development. The question was gap between actual and potential learning is. Statement 1. Rita ZPD Gita scaffolding. Which of the following was incorrect? Correct answer is option A only Gita. Gap between actual and potential learning refers to ZPD, not a scaffolding. Question number 12. First, Neetu Singh, a pupil teacher, adjusts my supports to extend the child's current level of performance. I I am called. Options A. More knowledgeable others. Correct answer is option A. More knowledgeable other. Providing support to enhance performance is the role of more knowledgeable other. Question number 13. Vygotsky talks about which of the following in his theory of social cultural development? Correct answer is option D. Only 4. 4 is inner speech. Inner speech is a key concept in a Vygotsky theory. Question number 40. A pupil teacher Rita is teaching a topic of flower parts to class 5th students. She recently studied Lev Vygotsky's social cultural theory. Which method of grouping will she prefer? Correct answer is option B. Heterogeneous grouping. Heterogeneous grouping supports peer learning and social interaction. Question number 15. Vygotsky theory of social cultural development is a theory on. Correct answer is option B. Cognitive development theory. The theory explains cognitive development through social interaction. Question number 16. Vygotsky theory stresses on social interaction. Reason: society, culture, and language are the backbone of Lev Vygotsky theory. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R is true. R is the correct explanation of A. Social interaction, language, and culture are core elements of Vygotsky theory.